Hello, everyone. I welcome you all in my YouTube channel, Job Science. Once again, I'm here with you with all of the new jobs and the latest jobs, and all of them are from Canada today. Let's look at the details, the job list today. Customs rated jobs in Canada, marketing specialist advertising required in Canada, wood products, foreman, woman required in Canada, hotel clerk, supervisor, Canada, general supervisor, building construction needed in Canada, assistant store manager needed in Canada. This is before starting the details of all of my jobs, I want to request something, and that is subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon as well for and select all for all of the latest updates. If you are visiting my channel for the first time, and if you are visiting it but you are still not subscribing it, so please go ahead and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon as well. And don't forget to like all my videos and watch this video up to the end. I thank you all. Customs rated jobs in Canada. Location Edmonton Navy. Salary is 21.54 hourly per hour, by the way. This is 37.5 hours a week. You need to work 37.5 hours of work. In terms of employment, it is permanent job and full-time as well. And the timings for the job is day. Benefits, so it has shown much benefits: medical, dental, life insurance benefits, and pension plans as well. That's a very good opportunity, by the way, and go for it. Job requirements. Now let's look at the job requirements. Languages: English. So anyone who is going to apply for this job must be able to speak in English. Education: secondary, high school, graduation certificate or equivalent experience. Credentials, certificates, licenses, membership courses, etc. So in case of credentials, you just need to have Canadian Society of Customs Broker certificate. So a Canadian Society of Customs Broker certificate must be with you. Experience 5 years or more means you must have the minimum experience should be 5 years. And if you are having some more experience, obviously you would be preferred. Business equipment and computer applications, MS Excel, Word, Outlook, it means MS Office. You would be hand on with MS Office. And work settings is customers, brokerage firm, and security and safety. Criminal record check, obviously, company is going to check you, and maybe you have to provide a clarification certificate from some security authority. Then transportation, travel information, own transportation. The person must have its own transportation system. Then work conditions and physical capabilities. Fast paced environment, work under pressure, attention to details. Customs broker specialization, tariffs, refund and drawbacks, custom legislation. Obviously, legislations and tariffs must be, you should know how to deal with these things. Customs broker skills, specific skills, by the way, quote, duty and tax rates on commodities, prepare and process import and export documents and other forms on behalf of clients, arrange for payment of duties, taxes, storage, and transportation of imported goods, advise clients on tariff system. So all these things, these skills must be with some custom related jobs. The personal suitability for this job is accurate, team player, excellent communication, excellent written communication, client focus, dependability, reliability, and organized. So these are the personal suitabilities which must be, or maybe you can say, required for this job. And if you are interested and you want to apply for this job, please go ahead and share your CV on the following given email address: hr@fero.com. So don't forget to apply. It's a very good opportunity if you have an experience of 5 years and you have related education as well. So go for ahead and apply for the job. My next job is marketing specialist advertising. Once again, another job in Canada, and the location is Burnaby, BC. Salary is 29 per hour, and you have to work 40 hours a week. Terms of employment: permanent and full time. Benefits: dental, group insurance benefits, vision care benefits. So you have much benefits. So you have to apply for this job. Specific skills for the job is develop, implement, and evaluate communication strategies and program assist in the preparation of brochures, reports, newsletter, and other material. So this is marketing specialist. The job is of marketing specialist in KA, and the field is actually advertising. And you need to know how to prepare program, plan the brochures, the reports, the newsletters, and all other related material related to advertising. Then business equipment and computer applications, MS Excel, Word, PowerPoint, Outlook. It means you should have a good command in MS Office. And then work setting, it's a type of business, and work conditions and physical capabilities, fast paced environment, and work under pressure, attention to detail, tight deadlines. This is a very important, the physical capability and work conditions for this kind of job, that you have to meet some deadlines off and on, and you have to work under pressure as well. So this is important to note for this. So, how to apply for this job? They have given their email address. If you are interested, so go ahead and apply your with your CV on using this email address. Share your CVs on the following given email addresses. Then, wood products for men or for women needed in Canada. Job requirement language English education, secondary higher school graduation certificate, or equivalent experience. Experience is 7 months to less than 1 year. So English, obviously, the English and school graduation certificate, 7 months or less than 1 year means you must have at least 70 months of experience. Specific skills: set up machines and equipment, oversee safety of operations, establish work schedules, supervise, coordinate, and schedule activities of workers. Additional skills: train and arrange for training, acquisition or order materials, equipment, and supplies, prepare and submit the reports. So, these are the additional skills, by the way. You need to train other persons as well. You have to complete the orders, equipment, and supplies, and you have to submit the reports as well. So then workers supervise painters and coaters, manufacturing other products, machine operators, manufacturing and utilities. All these workers are maybe under your supervision. They have to work, they will work, by the way, under your supervisions. So worksite environment, the worksite, obviously, as it is related to the woodwork, so the environment should be noisy, have some odor as well, and it is dusty at times, and hot maybe. Transportation, travel information, own transportation, and valid driver's license. You must have your own transportation, and you have the driving license as well. Work conditions and physical capabilities. Physically demanding. This job is, by the way, physically demanding and manual dexterity. And you need to focus on attention to details, and hand-eye coordination is a must in this kind of jobs. And supervise 3 to 4 people, at least you would be able to supervise at least 3 to 4 people, means this job needing a person who can supervise at least 3 to 4 people. Work location, on site customer service in shop, so you have to work in shop, or maybe on the site where the customer is living. Then personal suitability, flexibility, team player is a must, as there are certain people who are working under your supervision. Then you must have some sort of team player, and the negotiation abilities, and under under pressure, your uh, your behavior under pressure, your attitude under pressure. So it's very important. The property of judgment, reliability, organization, all these things are very, very important as far as this kind of job is concerned. Then if you're interested and you want to apply for this job, so they have given their email address. Please share your CV on the following email address. My next job is a hotel clerk supervisor's job in Canada. Location is 300 Exenton Drive, Bracebridge on P1L1G4. They have given their complete address, and salary is $23 per hour. and you need to work 30 to 40 hours a week. So this is important to note. You just need to work for 30 to 40 hours a week, and per hour they are giving you $23. Terms of employment: permanent and full time. Start date: start as soon as possible. So go for ahead for this job. Let's see the details. Languages: in English, education, secondary, high school experience, 1 year to less than 2 years. At least 1.5 years of experience is needing for hotel clerk supervisor. Then specific skills. So they have given a list of the specific skills, but I'm reading one of them, of few of them: coordinate, assign, and review work, assist clients, guests with special needs, requisition materials and supplies, establish work schedules and procedures, and hire and train staff in job duties, safety procedures, and company policies. So they have given a list of the specific skills which they want to be in that supervisor. Work setting: hotel, motel, and resort. It can be any kind of the place where you need to work, and work conditions and physical capabilities, attention to detail. You just need to focus on whatever is assigned to you. Focus on the thing and then do it with proper attention. And there should be no mistake at all. So, ability to supervise 3 to 4 people, as it's a job of a supervisor. So, maybe 3 to 4 people maybe work under your supervision. And then personal suitability: the person should be able to take initiatives, have effective interpersonal skills, have flexibility, accurate. The person must have a team player, excellent in communication skills, interpersonal awareness, dependability, judgment, and organized. Then, how to apply for the job? Share your CV on the following given email address: General supervisor, building construction. The job, once again, this job is in Canada as well. Location is Surrey, BC. Salary $32 and per hour. And you have to work for 40 hours a week. In terms of employment: permanent, full time, and it can be of any time, day, evening, weekend, morning. And start date: start as soon as possible. Language: English, education, higher secondary experience, 3 years to less than 5 years, means at least minimum experience needing for this job is 3 years. And if you have more than that, then it is benefiting you. Then is a specific skills: train or arrange for training, and establish method to meet the work schedules, and coordinate and schedule activities, and read blueprints and drawings. So you have to work for all of these things. You must have this kind of skills before applying the job. Go through all of the details properly. Then additional skills: prepare production and other reports, estimate cost and materials. Maybe they have given this kind of thing to do to you as well, but maybe it is not necessarily important. Worksite environment are outdoors and noisy. Sorry, this is noisy. So the as it's a job of a supervisor, it's a job of a building construction related. So obviously the location for the jobs should be outside, outdoors, by the way, and the place should be noisy, can be noisy, may be noisy, right? So, how to apply for this job? They have given you the email address. Please share your CV if you are interested and you want to know further about the job, so you can get the details as well. Then, assistant store manager needed in Canada. Location: Grande Prairie. Salary is $30.25 per hour, and you have to work 40 hours a week. Terms of employment: permanent and full time, to be determined. The time of the job is yet to be determined, and the start date: start as soon as possible. Language: English, secondary, high school, needing minimum education and experience 2 years to less than 3 years, means at least 2.5 should be considered as the minimum work experience. Assistant store manager. This is the assistant of some store manager. Specific skills: develop and implement marketing strategies. So the person should be able to develop new marketing strategies, he need to find out the new markets as well, new customers as well, and he has to build specific kind of the PR with the new and the existing customers, and hire, recruit, supervise staff as well, and plan, organize, direct, control, and evaluate daily operations. Work setting convenience stores and work conditions and physical capabilities, fast-paced environment may be the fast-paced and attention to details. Ability to supervise 3 to 4 people, as once again it's a job of a store manager. So you need to work as supervisor to control 3 to 4 people at a time. Work location information and urban area, you have to work for urban areas, and flexibility, team player, excellent written and oral communications, positive attitude, and time management is needing as personal suitabilities for this job. So if you are interested and you want to apply for this job, please use this email address to share your CV, and you can mail your CV through this postal address. And I think so you can go there, you can drop there your CV by yourself, as they have given you the complete postal address. So that was my last job today. I'm hoping there is something for you as well. All of the jobs are very good, with all of the good benefits and with the flexibility of working hours as well. So it's very good. These jobs, Canadian jobs, I always found them very easy and very clearly demonstration of all of the jobs. So I'm hoping for your good future. Take care. Bye bye.